Hey everyone, Corvus here. Welcome to the desktop update video. I'm just about to get started this evening for a long painting session. I thought it was a good time to bring you up to date with some of the current projects which are here on the desk. We'll have a look at those work in progress figures a bit later on, but first I want to briefly show you these Shadespire miniatures. Yeah, they're in this funny kind of tray because I used them for a Shadespire game last week, my first Shadespire game. It took me quite a while to paint them all, and then they were upstairs in the display cabinet, and I took them down. I always use a small container like this for that purpose. Took them downstairs for a first game of Shadespire. I really enjoyed it. So these are the figures. If you want better pictures, then you can go to my blog, but I think only these Stormcast Eternals are on there. These I have to process the pictures of these guys, but it will be on there shortly. So corvusminiatures.com. So yeah, we'll be returning to these soon, maybe in a showcase video or else the complete set of figures on the website. Then work in progress, basically working on 2 projects. These are 6 more Warg Riders for my Lord of the Rings Mordor army. So the Wargs themselves, they're completely done. So now I'm working on the riders. The skin is finished, and just started working on some of the clothing, mainly black, and then some browns here and there. Here on the side I have another Warg Rider which I finished earlier, I think last year or something, previous summer. I'm always carefully noting down all the paint recipes, so I think this one is quite close to the new ones. So we're starting to look pretty good. And then this is a commission I'm currently working on. This is a Infinity Panoceania figure called Ulan, and then something more which I forgot. Just started working on this guy, and I will be highlighting the progress of this in probably a separate video, talking a bit more about him. So it's quite a big figure. There's going to be a bit of a challenge to paint him because a customer asked me to give him some tiger striping. So it's going to be mainly, yeah, thinking about an ochre color, yellowy, orangey ochre color like. Still have to think about which color I'm going to use for this, but there's going to be a lot of tiger striping, tiger camo involved here on the figure. Really looking forward to continuing work on this one. So that's all for this desktop update video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it was quite a long hiatus in the last one, but I hope to pick up the thread again here, starting from this video on. So thank you for coming back to the channel anyway. Also want to hear if you're already experienced with Shadespire, if you painted the miniatures, which are your warbands, if you played a few games, or else just in general tell me what you're up to. See you in the next video. Bye.